In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit vectors in Figma. Whether you are polishing icons or refining a logo, vector editing gives you precise control over every point and curve. Start by opening your design so you can see the layer you want to adjust. It helps to zoom into the area you'll be working on and make sure the correct vector layer is selected in the Layers panel so your edits apply to the right object. Next, enter Vector Edit mode. With the vector layer selected, you can use whichever method is fastest for you. Press Enter on your keyboard if you like quick shortcuts. Double-click the object with your mouse if that's more natural. Or click the Edit Object button in the toolbar. In newer Figma interfaces, you'll find it under the Vector section or near the rectangle options. When you are in Edit mode, you'll notice a secondary toolbar and all your points and paths become visible. Let's walk through the core tools you'll use. The Move tool, shortcut V, lets you click and drag points to reposition them. For pixel perfect adjustments, use the arrow keys to nudge. For exact values, head to the right sidebar and type math in the X or Y fields. Like Fa15 or 2, to shift a point precisely without guessing. Small, controlled moves usually produce smoother results. The Pen tool, shortcut P, is ideal for adding structure. Click on an existing path to add a new point, or click and drag to create a curved segment in one motion. Try to use as few points as needed. Fewer, well-placed points make curves cleaner and easier to maintain. Use the Bend tool to refine curvature. Click a point or a path to reveal and adjust the Bezier handles, which control how sharply or smoothly a curve transitions. Keep handles balanced in length and direction for fluid, professional looking arcs. When you need to adjust multiple points at once, switch to the Lasso tool with Q. Draw a freehand selection around the points you want. You can refine your selection by holding modifier keys to add or subtract points. Then move or transform them together for consistent changes. To manage color inside closed shapes, choose the Paint bucket with Shift+B and click inside a region to add or remove fills. This is great for quickly testing fill variations without rebuilding shapes. Finally, the Cut tool, shortcut X, lets you divide vector segments or split nodes. Use it to separate paths into distinct pieces or to introduce a break where you need independent edits. After cutting, be mindful of open paths versus closed shapes to maintain clean fills and strokes. Practice these tools together, and your vector edits will be faster, cleaner, and more intentional. Thanks for watching.